कल इतना इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जाम है और मेरे को कुछ याद ही नहीं हो रहा है। कैसे पढ़ूंगा इतना सारा एक दिन में? कैसे? Are you also sick of such kind of situation in your life where you wanted to remember something, those facts, if you would have remembered those, काश याद होता तो मार्क्स आगे होते, काश याद होता presentation best हो गया होता। Guys, if you're also sick of this kind of problem, in this video I'm going to share one tip with you which I have used personally in my life, which 100% works on how you can remember facts for a longer duration of time and without even have to sit and memorize them. Now, very first and the only mistake which everybody makes in such kind of scenarios where you have to remember something is you start remembering them or start memorizing them, or in fact I must say that you start reading them on the very last moment when the 0 hour has already started. कल एग्जाम है, आज पढ़ना शुरू कर रहे हैं, और whether itself something related to your work, tomorrow you have a very good presentation, if you are good in that you might get promoted, but today is the day when you're starting the preparation just one day before, so that's not going to work. And to be clear, in this video I'm going to not share about कि 5 बजे उठ के सुबह daily पढ़ाई करो. It's going to be more simpler than that, so do watch this video till the end. Now, without wasting any time, directly I'm going to go to the tip. First of all, what you need to do is you need to segregate the things which you can deliver out to your mind. So what I mean by that is, first of all, you need to make a list or a chart of things which you can memorize on the very last moment and segregate them from the things which are difficult to memorize on the very last moment. For example, the facts. Suppose if you're reading something really important and there is a theoretical part in it, suppose it has a diagram. A diagram can be explained easily in words and can be done in the last moment as well. But if there are some terms or some numbers or some facts which you need to memorize, so they cannot be done in just one day. Now, as you have shortlisted the things which you are not ready to be done or memorized in the very last moment, what you need to do is, right now you can make a few charts, or whether itself you can just make a notebook in which you can just write them. जो भी है जो last moment याद नहीं कर सकते, those numbers, those terms, those facts, to just write them out in a notebook or whatsoever is your source of reading. Now, what is more important is not the writing of those. The more important thing is every day, just once, only once, you need to go through it. Even if your mind is closed and you are about to sleep, or you have just woken up, or you are not even in the mood, just read it once. You don't have to memorize it, you just have to read it once, and do it for 1 week at least. And in 1 week coming so, you'll soon realize that things have started to make place in your mind. That is, you have started remembering those things even without having to sit to memorize them. बिना पढ़ने बैठे ही आपने उनको याद कर लिया. इतना इजी है गाइस, सिंपल है, बहुत ही प्रैक्टिकल सोल्यूशन दिया है, और इसको जितने दिन तक रिपीट कर सकते हो उतने दिन तक आपने रिपीट करना है, फॉर as many days as it is possible for you to repeat it. Try to start long before the exam or whatsoever your presentation is, and you need to not even give your respective time. If you're going to work, you go in an auto rickshaw or you go in a bus, you can just open it once, just go through it, read it once, and it's done. Just एक बार पढ़ना है आपने उसको दिन में, कहीं से भी सुबह उठते अपने रूम में आपने चार्ट में बना के चिपका दिए, तो just see it once, just go through it once, even if your mind is closed or even if your eyes are closed, and थोड़े टाइम पे you will automatically remember everything what's written in that, word to word, line to line, letter to letter, everything. I can bet on that. Just try it for 1 to 2 weeks and you'll see the results automatically. And guys, reading it once is just a deadline I'm giving you, but you can even read it more than one time in a day. Just like you don't even have to sit and read it. If you have a snap of it in your mobile, you can just read it in your mobile while you're traveling somewhere, you're out with your friends, you can just go through it once. All you need to do is just read it once and not sit and memorize it. Just read it once and it will automatically sit in your mind. So that was a tip, guys. I hope you like. Use it, and it practically works. It has worked for me, it will work fine for you too, because we all are humans in the end and our brains are of the same capacity. It's all how much we use it and how we use it. So that's it, guys, for this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. My Instagram link is in the description below. Do follow me on Instagram as well. I post motivational videos as well as motivational quotes and pictures on Instagram. Till then, this is Rahul Kumar Verma, engineer turned digital content creator. Take care and bye bye.